So take this down to 150 and move the flaps down to 30. That's it. Very nice. Now, you see the runway going that way. It's kind of a big cross in the line, so that's what we're aiming for. I haven't done that very well, that's my fault. Not a very good radar control. Okay, so gears down, 3 greens. 150 knots we approach is about right. Flaps 30, so we're going to start a left turn now to get us into line with the runway. We're going to have to reef that round a little bit. Do you see it? The one we're aiming for? And we want to be a little bit lower now, so let's come down a bit to get some speed.
To the right there, where that green?
Yep. Do you see the green thing just on the edge of the screen? Coming into your left-hand screen now. There's the runway we want.
Oh.
Okay. So the way we land is we don't let the runway move in our windscreen. Okay. So once we've got the picture we want, so keep it coming around to the left, line up on it nicely. Now, if it moves up in the screen, we're getting too low, we need to pull back. If it moves down in the screen, we're getting too high, we need to push forward.
That's great.
Just raise the nose a bit because it's getting a bit higher in the windscreen. Don't ask me what that is because I don't know. Raise the nose a bit. Raise the nose a bit. Something's we had a complete electrical failure from the looks of it. So now we are flying visually. I had to talk to Adam about that. That was really weird.
There we go. Right at the beginning of the runway.